take a look at this chart from Fundstrat, folks, because Fundstrat, our friend Tom Lee, put this one out, Pete. And when you look at the spikes in vol, and to Pete's point, this feels like a lot, but guess what? It's not compared to some of those other times when the vol has spiked so dramatically. I remember being on the floor in '87, Pete, and you and I were there through the great financial crisis, and then we were trading upstairs through the whatchamacallit, the COVID. But this is right up there with those, Pete. But it's got more room if the president decides to do that.
Yeah, absolutely. And we all are watching each and every day the movement that we're seeing in the markets and the percentage moves that we are seeing. The fact that at one moment you could look at the Dow and see it up 1,200 points, John, and then give all of that back and then go into negative territory. So is it even warranted to be at 50? Hell yeah, it is. It probably should be higher. And the fact that we are still holding above 50 is a statement. We did get into the 60s. We've seen that pre-markets. We've seen 60. But just so everybody's well aware, not too many years ago, John, we hit 85 on the VIX. So this is not necessarily like that's the absolute top, guys. It doesn't go over 60. No, there is no such rule like that, and it can go a lot higher. So the reality is the volatility index had this big spike. It's holding on to that spike for all the right reasons, because those intraday moves are absolutely incredible. And we're seeing another one today. It's not to the same degree as what we've been seeing, but we're certainly seeing a back and forth across being in green, being in the red, being in the green, being in the red. And with that, that's going to hold on to that VIX being above 50, I think, until we start to actually get one directional moves.
Yeah. Well, I've got a lot of advice for the president, Pete.